and alone. I feel the rain crashing down. All around this empty town, we're searching for the lost and found.
Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. I got a new laptop today. Yeah, I invested in a new laptop to be doing my editing on, and I got the Mac Pro, so I'm gonna be unboxing this laptop so you guys can see it. Look, it's the Mac Pro laptop. I'm gonna be doing my editing because I've been using my phone to edit, and it's really small. Sometimes I need a space in my phone, so I invested in this. It's the Mac Pro 13-inch. So I'm gonna be unboxing. It comes in this box, and I'll insert the price for how much I pay for it. Mac, got on it, Mac Pro 13-inch. And so let's get it open. There you go. I'm gonna set this computer up, and then I'm gonna set it up, and then I'll use it for a week, maybe a month, and then I'll come back and review it and tell you how it's performing with the editing and thing. But I love it. It's really nice. I love it. Okay, just unboxing it. Look how smooth it looks. Look at the size. It's very smooth. Oh, Apple product is the bomb. I think this one got 2 support and thing on it, and then a cable charging, and I'll set it up. And I also got the Microsoft program for it, and I got a security, some internet protection security, and I did have the Apple Care warranty for 3 years. They took cost me $300 something to, so in case if something happened to it, and then I can take it back for Apple to repair it. So thank you guys for watching this little unboxing video of mine. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time and have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and hit that notification button so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So hit that button, guys. What are you waiting for? Just hit it. Hit it. Okay, bye-bye. Have a good day. And I see you